class, part 7.
Hello guys, today we want to make ES CEMIL.
So Khanza, what do we have here?
So we have bread, ice cream, wafer roll, bowl, condensed milk, biskuit, coklat, and spoon.
Step 1. Put a bread and ice cream into a bowl.
Step 2. Put the condensed milk into the bowl. Add the topping if you want. And ES CEMIL is ready.
Okay, Flo. What does it taste?
It's sweet and good.
Okay, and what about you, Nurzaila? What does it taste?
It's sweet and good.
What about you, Khanza? Yummy? Okay, good. And what about you, Shella? Is that good?
Kampung Inggris Babel.